Set the scene.
Thanks, Peter. If you look to your right, ladies and gentlemen, you'll see the Super Constellation from the Historical Aircraft Restoration Society. Sit back now, listen to the engines, and think about the magnificent era that it flew in the 50s and 60s. Sit back now and look at the magnificent picture on the blue sky, over the blue sky, with the sound of the Wright Cyclone engines. The Connie, as it is affectionately known, was originally built for the United States.
Medivacs of 131 patients from a local hospital. The Air Force dispatched a pair of C-130 Hercules carrying aeromedical evacuation personnel from